Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Don McLean, and we're going to react to the song Castles in the Air. This is our first time singer take honest reaction to this song by Don McLean.
And if she asks you why, you can tell her that I told you that I'm tired of castles in the air. I've got a dream I want the world to share, and castle walls just lead me to despair. Hills of forest green where the mountains touch the sky, a dream come true. I'll live there till I die. I'm asking you to say my last goodbye. The love we knew ain't worth another try. Save me from all the trouble and the pain. I know I'm weak, but I can't face that girl again. If you tell it to her plain. But how can words express the feel of sunlight in the morning in the hills, away from city strife? I need a country woman for my wife. I'm city born, but I love the country life. For I will not be part of her cocktail generation. Partners waltz, devoid of all romance. The music plays, and everyone must dance. I'm bowing out, I need a second chance. Save me from all the trouble and the pain. I know I'm weak, but I can't face that girl again. Tell her the reasons why I can't remain. Perhaps she'll understand if you tell it to her plain. And if she asks you why, you can tell her that I told you that I'm tired of castles in the air. I've got a dream I want the world to share, and castle walls just lead me to despair.
This was deep, this was thought-provoking. Oh, what are your thoughts, Kirti?
This was dreamy. This man can actually create dreams instead of music. The way he creates music is literally like a dream. You are in the dream world of his. And this is a shining example of this. Not just Starry Starry Night. This also, goes in the same league. I like this. This was wonderful to listen to. It was. I like the guitar that was playing throughout the song. I like the way he sings, and the whole sound of the song. It just feels different when you're listening to it. There's something about it. There's something magical about it that you just go along with it. You're smiling. You're broad face smile, and you're just into the song. That's all. Whether you're in that position or not, whether you are going through similar thing in your life or not, but this makes sense to you, at least while you're listening to, at least while you connect with it, you relate with it. That is how connectable it is. I think he's telling a friend or something like that. He maybe was dating a woman in the city. He's a city born, but his heart is more like a country person, and he wants to go back. His life he sees only in the countryside, countryside, not in the cities. Not he does not relate anymore to the city styles, which are more of a style and less of the feelings that people share with each other. And he just can't take it anymore. No more of the castles in the air. He actually wants to live in the castle, and that is where that is where the countryside comes in his life.
Yeah, I also felt there was another side to it, that even in the country, he felt things are changing, even in the countryside. So, that verse where he says that everyone has to dance, and I can't, he doesn't want to be part of that crowd. I felt like he was realizing that maybe even in the countryside, things are changing rapidly. So, well, he's kind of tired of everything, basically. He's tired of the way things are going. He wants to be possibly in his own little world, his castle of dreams, as he calls it, his castles in the air, as he calls it. But as he says towards the end, the castle walls leads him to despair. So I think there's more to it than, what we can gather on the first listen.
Right.
But wow, the way it is sung, the vocals, the music, it's so in sync, there are very few artists that we have heard, and we've heard over 1,200 unique artists in our journey on YouTube thus far. Hopefully we can hear another 1,200 by the time we are done, because there's still 50,000 good songs out there as per what we know, which we haven't yet heard, or even forget about making a reaction to them. We've not even heard them. We've heard 7,000 songs on YouTube in our journey as reactors in the last 3.5 years, and I believe unofficially we've broken a couple of records along the way in doing so as a couple of reactors. But there's still 50,000 odd songs to go, and those are from popular artists. So most of them will be good songs, just like this.
Yeah.
This is one of those songs that doesn't really feature in people's list. It has been requested to us so late in our journey. So late in our YouTube journey. But in our life's journey, hopefully we'll be listening to most of those 50,000 songs, because we just love music. And that's what got us into reacting to music. Kirti's purpose was to listen to as much music as possible outside India. It started with her not having heard many of the songs I had heard while growing up, and even as an adult. So she wanted to know more of the music I heard. She felt she could understand things better, me, the world, herself. And that's how it all started. Also, spending quality time together as a couple was a bonus. And sharing some of the good songs we heard along the way with our ardent subscribers, friends, family was a bonus. So we've heard a lot, and we still have a long way to go. So, when we listen to a song like this, for me, it definitely runs deep. We may think that this is the answer, but we may realize that that is a question by the end of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and we need to find that answer to that question when we get there.
You put it very well.
So that by itself is deep, what I just mentioned. So I like songs like this because it gives you a lot to think about.
Food for thought.
And this urban, rural, city, countryside debate will always go on. With more and more of the world moving to urban areas and being urbanized, even if they were initially rural, we can see there's a lot more faster spread of viruses, of bad habits, of vices. Instead of good things spreading, you see mostly bad things spreading. People are losing their faith in things like religion, in things like family, in things
Culture.
like themselves. And that has led to a catapultic, if that's a word, rise in suicides and loneliness
and also
and
lifestyle
stress
sicknesses.
and a lot of addictions which are very harmful to yourself and everyone around you. So yeah, songs like this are definitely very deep. This probably was in the 60s, 70s or 80s. We don't really do much research. In fact, we do no research at most times. only what we already know of the artist based on what we've heard, we
Of the
recall.
past songs.
And even that time, sometimes even the memory of that fails because we've heard a lot
Yeah.
in recent times. And we also do other things. So this is our part-time work. So we also teach online counseling. We do online. We also are parents and family members. So yeah, I mean, it's difficult to remember things, but songs like this definitely makes this journey. What I'm getting at towards the end of this video, hopefully, is that songs like this make this journey worthwhile. We've not got any awards along the way. We've not earned $1 million. And I don't think we ever will on this platform, the way it is structured heavily in favor of certain communities and reactors. So I don't think we'll ever earn $1 million on this platform, even our kids. But we are very, very happy, very, very pleased with what we've achieved. And doing it honestly, which is such a rarity on YouTube and in today's world.
After starting to react to international music, I would say once we started, and now I realized that I was practically, and I'm not ashamed to say that, I have no qualms about admitting it, that I was music wise illiterate, because having heard only one region, music from your own country or only the region you belong to is not enough. There is a lot of music in the world, and not only me, I think people in general also should always look out for different arts and music from all over the world to know how much is there to offer.
Yeah, and I'm very proud at the end of the day to belong to a culture called India, an Indian culture. Because in our culture, I mean, we are shining examples of what I'm going to say. I mean, we've stepped outside our comfort zone, especially Kirti, listening to music outside her country, outside her community, outside her race, outside her, her area is something not everyone else does. A basic example or basic question I can pose to each one of you. While we have heard 7,000 plus English songs in the last 3.5 years and reacted to 6,500 or more of them, I don't think there will be even 5 people who watch this reaction video who will have heard 50 plus songs from Bollywood. Forget about the rest of India, which is huge. And even I have not heard music from so many parts of my own country till date. So it's not something I'm proud of, obviously. But the fact is, not many people can say we've heard even 50 songs of Bollywood or 50 French songs. But we can say that proudly because we stepped outside our comfort zone and we are the only ones on YouTube who have done that with such discipline and so commonly. That 3.5 years, almost every single day of the last 2.5 years, we've posted a reaction video. So that itself shows that, there are not too many like us. So we are very thankful and grateful to YouTube, no matter what we have said, especially me. I've spoken a lot about YouTube and a lot about social media, a lot against it most of the time. But the fact is, this platform has given us this, at least this arena, this stage to present ourselves and at the same time broaden our horizons, and in the process of doing that, opening our minds and broadening our minds. Obviously, we won't like so much of what we hear. And especially me, I'm that kind of a person who's quite stubborn and rigid with guidelines and principles and taste. So obviously it comes out more from me that, Kirti is definitely not like me in this area, this part or this aspect. So I obviously sound very rude, curt and, even heavily biased at times. But that's how we are. Find someone else, a couple like us or even one reactor like us who does what we do. Maybe someone from America, maybe an African American reactor, a Caucasian reactor who has heard 7,000 plus songs from outside America and UK. Outside America, UK and Canada, 7,000 plus songs. If they've heard, I rest my case. Anyway, bottom line, this debate will always go on in different ways. Rural, urban, city, country, side and all that, and modern, traditional, many things come out of all these topics. And Don McLean has given us all this that we talked about in the last 5 to 10 minutes. So thank you, Don McLean. Hope you enjoyed this reaction and it gave you something to think about. If not, we still are here to entertain you. We are still are here to make honest, unscripted reviews. which is a complete rarity on YouTube.